गोंयांत कोवीड महामारीक लागून चडशा जाणांच्यो नोकऱ्यो गेल्यात, ते बेकार आसात. तातूंतच वीज आनी उदकाची बिलां वाडून आयिल्ल्यान गोंयकारांक ती फारीक करतना नाका जाता. अशा परिस्थितींत उच्च शिक्षणा खातीर विद्यालयांनी फी वाडयिल्ल्यान लोकांक आपल्या भुरग्यांक मुखार शिकोवपाक शक्य जावचें ना. देखून अंदूची शिक्षणाची फी माफ करपाचो आदेश गोंय सरकारान काडचो, अशी मागणी प्रदेश काँग्रेसीच्या विद्यार्थी संघटनेन केल्या.
On behalf of the students of Goa, the NSUI is demanding that the fees of students across Goa and across courses, wherein many private colleges are charging about 60 to 70,000 rupees for a semester, and paying the fees with a sudden notice of within a month during this difficult time of COVID-19 is not practically possible. And right now everywhere there are issues of financial problems. The electricity is increasing, the petrol rates are high, people do not have jobs, and during such a difficult time, if you are asking for education to be so costly, being costly is one thing, and one more, the main issue is you are taking fees during a time wherein the education is happening online. The major chunk of the fees, if you go to see the breakup, the major chunk of the fees is for the development and for practical knowledge and for the college facilities that the students undertake. But right now during online education, it is only the faculties that are busy, and there is no expenditure to the colleges also. So the NSUI, on behalf of the students of Goa, we are demanding that the fees for this entire semester during this difficult time of COVID-19 has to be waived off in the interest of the students of Goa, in the interest of the people of Goa, and in the interest of the parents. From 42,000 within 6 years, if the fees is coming to 62,000, that is an increase of about 18 to 20,000 within a frame of 5-6 years. And when there is a pandemic, the colleges need to understand, and the education minister, who is also the CM, who talks of Bhupachi Garaz na, he has to understand ki Bhupachi Garaz asa, because the parents are feeling it, they are feeling the heat, because shelling out 60 and 70,000 within a gap of 15 days, it is not possible. So the NSUI strongly demands that all the fees of across colleges has to be waived off during this difficult time of pandemic, and the CM needs to take cognizance, because otherwise there will be dropouts, there will be depressed students, and this can even lead to situations where there can be even suicides. So in the interest of the people, please do not take the education of the state for a ride. You have taken the entire state for a ride, but the education is a very important source, which is the future of the country, which is the future of the state. So the education has to be taken, has to be considered, and the fees has to waived off. If you can spend for the governor's house, then you have to utilize the same. We've told this before also, the money that is allotted for the governor's house, use it for a better thing, use it for the education of the students. So instead of going for the construction of a new Raj Bhavan, which is not the need of the hour, during this pandemic it is not the need of the hour, having the governor to enjoy himself is not the need of the hour. The need of the hour is for the fees of the students, and I'm sure that the governor will stand with us in this issue.